This is a demonstration of the robotics on an R-Quest TCP 7550 duplicator. We're just doing a short run here. As you can see, I only put one disc in the first spindle. It's already loaded that one, so it's now loading the second spindle. And we only put one disc in the second spindle as well. We wanted to show you the robotic movement. So it's going to go down, discover there's no disc in that spindle, rotate, and move to the next spindle. This particular unit has 5 disk drives in it, 3 on one side and 2 on the other. So it uses the space very optimally. Very compact, low height unit, saves on wear and tear on the robotics. It's now finished recording the first disk, so it begins to load it into the flash jet printer. We're going to be printing a 100% coverage disc with full color. While it's printing that disc, it's going ahead and recording the remaining disc. I believe we can see the light down there. See, that drive is still working. It's just now finished as well. As a job would run, it will even out so that the printer and the duplicators are pretty much equally matched. You can see our discs starting to come out from the printer now. Even though it's just coming out of the printer, it's nearly completely finished on the print job. I'll open the door in a minute and let you get a look at that. And you can see that it's dropped the finished disc in the hopper that had the full disc in it before. So it's rotating the hopper around, and that way it finishes its first stack of disc onto a spindle, which creates an empty hole. It then pulls the disc from the next stack and drops the finished disc into that empty hole. By rotating around, we get 550 disc on one load up, so we can run 550 disc at night in what's called a lights out mode. Normally you can't open the printer and see what's going on, but I have the safety bypassed on this printer so that we can. I'm going to open it up so we can take a peek inside. As you can see, the disc is about half finished and it hasn't started to open the door yet. That's what I made reference to a few minutes ago. And the process repeats.